so I'm attacking them. Everything's going well for me.
Wow. Lobster robots, attack! Don't cry, we're only on episode, like, 6 of this, I think.
Left punch, right punch, left punch! FDA.
Yes.
Franklin Delano Roosevelt. Oh, I have a trumpet now.
When you trip in the game, you trip for real.
They're all back now. I just want to fucking leave.
I thought we were in the trust tree with the nest. Is it okay that I want to take your tiny Filipino body and bend it over the table? Just fucking take you to Frisco Town for days? Dude, I would...
Oh my god! I actually died.
I'll thrust you into whatever I want, frankly. As time goes on, this game really is growing on me.
Oh, there's more robots.
Yay!
You need a reboot.
These fight scenes all feel remarkably similar.
It's because they are.
Okay. Punching and stuff. He died doing what he loved. Getting trampled by giraffes.
Milk lemonade. Around the corner. Fudges me.
I don't want to cut the audience short and deprive them of this amazing, unique, one-of-a-kind, never-to-be-seen-again battle scene.
I already did that part. What the fuck is the point?
You gotta go fast. Fighter-Man's real name is Peter Parker. See, this was originally supposed to be a Tyrannosaurus.
Come here, my ineffective tornado. Hiya! Jesus, criminy, dude.
Oh my God.
Christ!
Rings aplenty. Alright, don't worry, you only lost 12. Let us perform a song for you on tuba. Is that a water balloon?
You know,
It is.
at this point, I'm not even gonna...
Classic egghead. I'm not trapped in here with you. You're trapped in here with me.
I wonder how many fighting robots in a circle there has been in this game. Which, if somebody could,
But yeah, could someone please make a montage
please count.
to like gentle piano music of like all the times we've been fighting fucking the same goddamn robots in the same circle?
No, watch out for that green beam. Good job. Did you see him? He freaked out for a second. I have to interrupt you.
Oh, wait.
I have a face-slapping machine.
Oh my god, you do! The B-hole is not much fun.
Defeat lyric.
Is that right?
Yeah.
Thank you for clearly establishing our goals. Oh, more fighting!